Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Chris Kirby, Insane Imports Best Damn Powder Coating. Today's episode is going to be the short and the sweet of what we've done so far. I know our episodes can be a little lengthy, so we're going to give you guys with a shorter attention span a little less to take in today. But we're going to cover A to B of what we've gotten done so far, from the first episode to the last one that you've seen. Hope you guys enjoy it, and please remember to like, subscribe, comment on what we're doing. You guys commented, told me that you wanted to see that fuel cell back underneath the truck. So that's what we're giving you. The fuel cell is out getting modified right now to get stuck back in the stock position. So let's keep the comments coming. You guys keep telling me what you want to see, and I'm going to keep getting it done. Let's get into this week's episode. Looks like someone's been messing around in here.
So close.
We're so close to victory. All right, so we got the motor out. This is what Jim Carrey felt like when he emerged from the rhinoceros's butthole. We are going to cut a slit in the bed down here to receive this, drop it down, and at the end we'll weld all of this into the bed itself, and we'll do a fill-in, anything between the high points and the low points. This is the mount that we bought. This is the engine side. This is an L bracket that we've made. We have 2 points of attachment. So here's a final look at the mounts that we've made. We have the K-swap, fully supported by itself. We have some small tack welds actually holding the mounts in, making sure that that's exactly where we want to be, but this is it. I say with the other little trucks I've seen, the interior on this one's actually in pretty good shape, but we're gonna go ahead and start getting all of this out. All right, the interior gut is complete. Gonna ensure that when we go in and do paint, that we will have all the room to get in and leave no reveal lines. So the sides of the truck bed have come out. They are looking pretty good. We have our base coat down to Spanish gold. This is 2 coats of Spanish gold to ensure a nice even gold finish on the truck bed sides. We've done the same thing on the wheels. The wheels are getting a prismatic 14 karat gold clear coat on them. It's a much glossier, high shine finish, and it should have a lot more of the metallic flake. Today we're going to take the valve cover off. It's ugly, it's old, it's beat. Let's see what our junkyard K24 motor actually looks like on the inside. And that's not terrible. It doesn't look burnt up. It looks like whoever had it changed their oil. There's a little scarring on the cam, but nothing crazy. Probably replace that. But all in all, I'm happy. I don't see any obvious damage. But with a high mileage old Japanese motor, you never know what you're going to get yourself into, but I'm happy with it. I like the gold. It means it's somewhat maintained in its life. I think it just let loose by itself. Moment of truth. Yeah! All right, so you just saw me pull the radiator out. I went to lunch, and I came back with this bad boy right here. Got a Skunk 2 Racing radiator. It's just on a scissor jack right now, but that is our placement. That's where I wanted it to be. I'm really happy with the new radiator setup. All right, as you can see, we have our bumper. It is completely cut out to receive the new radiator. We were even able to retain the tag mount positioning. Shout out to me, being my own sponsor. Go Best Damn Powder Coating. We have the bumper back attached on both corners. It fits perfectly back in the stock position. So far, we have gotten the motor in place. We've done a lot of cutting. We've made our motor mounts. We've done some powder coating on the valve cover. We have gutted the entire interior. The windshield has been pulled out, and we got our new radiator installed. Recently purchased this Hybrid Racing Universal K-swap harness. They are very upfront that this harness right here only works with a K20 harness. I believe it was from an 02 to 04 RSX or anything similar. I was aware that I had a K24 harness. I was like, you know what? I could probably make it work. And I was incorrect. So instead, we are bringing you turbo charger awesomeness. We are underneath the truck. We're getting ready to make our marks where the header is hitting. The header is hitting an actual structural support item of the back of this truck. So even though we are notching it right now just to receive this header, we are absolutely coming back once the swap comes out and doing a re-support of this. We got that little center section cut out. You can see the gap now. We have plenty of clearance for our header, plenty of room for the motor to torque and for all of it to still clear. We are going to get into right now seeing if a Integra Type R steering wheel. This is out of a 94 Integra Type R. It came out of my Integra. But we're going to see if the spline count for this steering wheel matches the spline count for that steering wheel. See if we get lucky, because I think it would be incredibly cool to have a Type R steering wheel in the little Honda Acty truck. It fits, guys. Type R steering wheel from an Integra, Honda Acty. They were made to be a team. And it's a big day. But I hope you enjoyed the content that we put out this week. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. And we will see you next week.